Most bind-offs look tight or completely different from the rest of your garter stitch, but not this one. This technique blends in so beautifully it looks like just another row, smooth, stretchy, and almost invisible. Here is how to do it. Take your working needle, right one, and insert inside of the first stitch, like so, in front. Then we are grabbing this stitch like that, the second stitch. We are grabbing the right side of the stitch, by the way, so it's important. And then insert the insert this working needle inside of the stitch like this, so it's forming some sort of cross. And then we knit this stitch, we knit it through the second stitch. Yes, pull it and release, and return back. Okay, then we repeating the same. Insert the working needle through the first stitch, grab the second stitch like you would knit it, so you just put it inside like this. Yes, and then take the yarn inside like you would knit a stitch and release, return the stitch back. See, it's forming some sort of bumps for this garter stitch. Now we are doing the same again. I'll show you one more time. I put the working needle inside of the stitch and inserting it like so, like I'm about to knit it. I'm knitting Continental style, guys, by the way. And then, like I'm about to knit it, I grab my yarn and pull it through the second stitch. The second, not the first. So I'm pulling it through this one and release. Let's slip it back.